Hey everybody, I'm here with the 2021 Chrysler Grand Caravan, and I know what you're thinking, that isn't a Grand Caravan. Redesigned last year, this absolutely is. And I want to talk to you a little bit about convenience. Can you hands-free the vast majority of your vehicle? Well, let me show you a thing or two. The beautiful part about this Grand Caravan, right here on the key fob, I can press this button twice, hands-free, walk up, get the kids on board, get your family on board, fantastic. Hands full of bags, grocery store, no problem. Let's open up that power tailgate. Now, I know you can see I've got this key fob in my hand. I'm gonna knock down this rear seat single-handedly. Pull on number one right here, give that a tug. Number two, that's all there is to it, folks. We invented comfort, we invented convenience for the whole family with the Grand Caravan back in the 80s. A little bit of refinement, a little bit of updating. Look at the plushness of that seat. Same thing, one-handed, no problem. Grab that lever, third row access, fantastic. Wanted an upscale interior in your vehicle? Absolutely, no problem. Bluetooth, 7-inch touchscreen, heated seats and wheel, backup camera, beautiful. Forgot to close the doors, that's okay. All from the remote, 1, 2, 3, hands-free. I don't know if your minivan's Bluetooth, but mine sure is. Give us a call, 403-902-0434. We invented it, we know it best. This is the best van on planet Earth.